Alright, so the first step you do when you're going to be removing the seat, you're going to pull it all the way forward. Like so. Alright, you're going to come back here and you're going to see these little tabs. Sorry for the mess, I'm pulling the seats and I'm going to be cleaning it. It's kind of a hard one not to freaking destroy. As you pull those caps, you're going to see two little Phillips. So we're going to remove those next. Alright, so now that those have been pulled, you're going to be able to lift up on this. And then that gives way to the back part of the railing, as you can see. So now what we're going to do is slide it all the way back. All right, once you slide it all the way back, you're gonna see these two nuts right here. They look like a 12 or a 13. So let's go ahead and remove those. It's verified it is a 13. I'll get on the second one. Do check and make sure there's usually an airbag connection. That's how you pull the seat. So for this one, there's going to be the connector that goes into it. You'll flip the little flip up. There's a little cover. You'll lift the cover up and then it'll give you access to this. You just pull down and pull out. This is what holds the cord to the seat. Instead of doing what I was doing, pushing down, you basically just pull up and it will release it off the seat anchor.